Hi, Diane here from Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell natural therapeutic skincare products. So today I want to talk about lotions. And this is a nice lotion stick that's great to just put in your purse or your travel bag or your gym bag, or you can even put it in your car, but just you don't want it to get too hot because it'll melt. And so after you go to the bathroom and you wash your hands with soap and water, sometimes your skin feels really dry. And so it's nice to have a easy portable lotion stick that you can just rub right on. And remember, in my last video I spoke about lotion and the importance of it, that it helps to seal in those cracks and crevices where germs and viruses like to hide, and bacteria. So a great way to finish up with washing your hands with soap and water is a nice lotion stick that's easy to apply. You can also apply it to your cuticles. So if you're interested, click on my tab for lotions, Vermont Lavender. Thank you.